Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video today. My name is Ryan, aka Rymill. Someday I'm not gonna have to say Ryan, aka, I'm just gonna say Rymill. Today I'm sitting down here, I'm getting ready to go to the mall with my babies, and I'm gonna be doing a quick and simple everyday makeup look. Here it is, by the way. I wasn't even planning to do this video, but I'm sitting here in my beauty studio anyways doing my makeup, and I was like, let me record this real quick. So I did. And also I wanted to come on here and say that if you don't follow me on Instagram, you won't know that I've had major issues with my camera and my computer syncing up together. So I haven't really been able to put out content. It makes me so sad, but I am back, baby. I'm back and ready to work. I'm here. I didn't go anywhere, but I'm here. Also, people at the Apple Store told me that doing the amount of videos and the amount of content that I was putting out, it might be too much for my little computer, unfortunately. So they told me to cut back on content. I don't want to cut back on content, but I'm trying to find a happy medium of, still being very challenged creatively. I still want to put out 5 videos a week, but it just might not be able to work for us right now. So I might be just doing some more like Instagram videos and YouTube videos together and mesh together to really still have, a lot of content for you guys to consume of mine per week. So with that said, little side note there, let's go ahead and get into this video. If you're looking for a quick and easy everyday makeup, it's not gonna be like a 10-minute makeup, but you're gonna have to do a little bit more effort than that. But I feel like this looks very clean and fresh. So if you're interested in learning on how to do this right here, then keep on watching. I got you covered. All right, wait, my lighting is not where it should be. I'm back. This is the first time I'm filming ever since I've had my little camera issues. So I'm really excited to be here in my studio. And honestly, I wasn't even planning on filming right now. I am getting ready to go to the mall with my babies. And I was already in my beauty studio getting ready. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. Let's go. And I already did my brows. Brows, delicious. They look cute for like an on-the-go brow, right? Right? Tell me the truth. I went in with all of my Benfits Brow products, guys. I seriously love the Brow Superstar collection. You get everything you need. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna be keeping it really super simple and sweet. Doing some concealer with some tinted moisturizer and just keeping it like, I have a little bit more time than usual to get ready because my babies are asleep. So this isn't like an on the go, like, oh my God, I have 10 minutes to leave the house. This is like, okay, I'm chilled, I'm relaxed. It's still gonna be like an on the go makeup, and obviously not going super glam to go to the mall. It's just not my vibe. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I do when I have a little bit more time on my hands. I'm gonna conceal with this Instant Age Rewind concealer here. This is in the shade Light. Fair is way too light for me, and this is like more of my skin tone color. That's why I really like that. And to blend it out, I'm just gonna be going in with my Morphe Y6 to blend it out nice and natural. I honestly don't want it to look like I'm wearing any makeup. That's my goal. I like to like dab it in. Dab, 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 dab. So to start off this routine, obviously I did my brows off camera, but I also did my skincare routine off camera. I'm gonna be doing a skincare video very soon. I know everybody does a skincare routine video, but I've actually been having quite a bit of people ask me, and I'm not lying about that. Like, I'm serious. Like, people are DMing me like, hey, like, can you recommend like a moisturizer, or can you do a video on it? And I was like, yeah, I'll recommend one, but I'll also do a video on it. That's coming real soon. It looks super natural. Not super natural, but like really natural. I'm just gonna take a little bit around my nose. Get really red around my nose. And this is just like, I'm just spot concealing now. I'm not going super ham, just like doing some spot. Lay down. Cute. Oh, let me do this little spot conceal right here. My little sunspot. Don't move to Florida. I'll give you sunspots. I swear I didn't have this until I moved here. And wear sunscreen. I have sunscreen on already, actually. Oh yeah, it's part of my skincare routine. Especially like in the mornings, even though you should wear sunscreen at night, but that's a whole other story. So I went and I washed my face. sunscreen, I put on a serum, I put on a moisturizer, and I spritz my face. And it just feels so good after I do it. Oh, I love it so much. It's seriously like my favorite self-care thing that I do for myself is doing my skincare routine. It's so much fun. What's Sunspot? I'm gonna be going in with my tinted moisturizer next. I use the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, Natural Skin Perfector. This is the original one in Cameo. 1C0 or 1CO. I don't know, 1CO. Cameo. I really like this stuff. And what I do, I just put it on the back of my hand. And then I will take it with my finger and I will just dot, 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 dot. Just gonna blend this out with the same brush. Taking it, make sure I take it on my ear, take it down my neck. Down, but try my best to like always make upward motions and not pull my skin down, but pull it up while I'm applying this. Get my nose really good. There, all right. Next, I'm just gonna be putting on a little, like the tiniest bit of powder. The Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just gonna go in with this Morphe Y14. I pretty much use the same brushes in every video. I don't switch it up. I have my favorites, my brush favorites that I don't like to stray from. And just taking that, especially under my eye, my concealer, just to set my concealer very, very, very lightly. And then I will just also like just go around like my nose, forehead, just a light dusting. Just to make sure it doesn't like get slippy slidey. I always lose the top of this. It never fails. I never know where I lay it down. Anyway, okay. Since I do have a little bit more time today, I do want to do a little bit of a contour. I'm going to be using this KKW Beauty in the light contour. I like to use the light one side. It's like a nice little contour real quick. Nothing too crazy up in here. And this stuff blends out like a dream, so I ain't worried about nothing, honestly. I just want my cheekbones to be a little... I'm gonna be using the same brush, because why not? And I'm just gonna upward motions. It's like the lightest contour ever, but I still want it to be there. I actually really do like to blend this out with my sponge too. I think that actually works the best, but I didn't wet my sponge and I'm not gonna go wet it. So this is being real. This is real life, you know? I'm for real, just like not trying to be somebody that I'm not. This is real life right here. I lost my favorite lip mask when I was in St. Louis, so Reed, my brother, and Meg, his girlfriend, like if you see a Bite Beauty lip mask anywhere around your apartment, please send it back to me. Please, 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 please. Oh, I found my other favorite lip gloss, Kapari. Yay, Reed, Meg, still send it back if you find it. Yay, I'm so happy. Stuff has like coconut oil in it. Oh god, so good. Mwah. Let me just go in with some bronzer. This Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Just real quick. I'm also going to be taking this bronzer into my crease. Probably all over my eyelid. I'm going to be using this instead. Told you it was light and fluffy. Next, sorry. I love you so much. I'm gonna be going in with this Aura sequin. I'm just gonna dab it on my eyelid, like the lightest layer ever. The sequin is the matte formula that has like glitter reflex in it. So it's like a matte with like a glitter. And for me, it works as like a lid shade. It's like the same color kind of as my lid. So it just looks like I have a little bit of like glitter but like not like a heavy glitter. And she also has the Soothe is like the tan shades that also has a sequin, and then Ritual is this deep brown shade. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It also has a sequin. They all have sequin formulation. So I mean, this palette is seriously so universal when it comes to doing a neutral look for a bunch of different skin tones. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of my bronzer just to clean it up. Hopefully you can tell on camera, but it's like so light and I absolutely love it. I'm actually just gonna take a little bit of this Aura Matte shade, this cream shade, and just go like right above it. Oh my god, it's so diffused. Oh my god, it's so cute. Do I want to put on something in the inner corner? Probably. I'm just gonna be taking this sleek makeup highlighter. I'm just gonna go in with this peachy tone right here. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Actually, I'm not. Like, this is real life, you know? I got 2 kids. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Like, sometimes this is gonna be reality for this channel. Okay? Telling you now, some days on this channel, I'm gonna be missing fingernails because it's the vibe. Every time I break a nail, I don't have the time to go run to the nail salon. Did anybody see the Pantone color of the year is classic blue? Really inspired by it, really. Blue had a moment, like 2018, I think. Whenever Kim Kardashian brought out that blue eyeshadow, I actually have it. Where is it? When she came out with this palette right here, this is the KKW X Mario palette, like the first round. That blue shade, like everybody was living for that shade, and now it's the color of the year of 2020. I'm re-inspired by it. So spoiler alert, there may or may not be a video doing a blue look for 2020. Like, the whole story behind it's really cool too, and I'll explain it in the video that I end up doing. It's a new decade, guys. Isn't that cool? Like, I feel like that wasn't as big of a deal in 2010 that it was a new decade, but like 2020, it's a big deal. Or maybe I was just so young in 2010 that I didn't really understand like the magnitude of like it being a new decade. It's a big deal. It's a big flippin' deal. I'm wanting to add a bigger inner highlight. No, I'm a psychopath. I want to use this Kylie Tahiti shade. Yep. Okay, yep. I'm done. I'm done, I think. I'll do like a little Morphe spritz. I'm gonna go to the Morphe store today. Beautiful! Always gotta hype yourself up, you know? You can't expect everybody to do it for you all the time. Like, you gotta hype yourself up, you know? I'm obviously in a really good mood today. Not necessarily yesterday. I was like all mopey yesterday. I hate when I get like that, but I'm a human being. I didn't stay there. I'm here now, and I'm having such a fantabulous day. I'm done. Oh, I want to put on some blush. I forgot blush. Blushy, 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 blushy. I love videos like this. It's like the go with the flow kind of thing, but I still feel like it's really educational to the point where like you guys are going to learn something and learn how to do something. I always want to be teaching. And I always want to be learning when I'm watching other videos. So I like a good get ready with me video, but I also like it to be educational. That's just how I live my life. And that's what I want, you know, whenever you come to my channel, I want you to know that you're going to be able to learn something. I want to like just shout out some of my subscribers right now. Like, Ice Cream Lover, girl, I love you. I think you're so sweet. And my mom. My mom too. My mom is always up on here sending me comments and stuff. I want to thank you so much for supporting this little baby channel that could. The little channel that could. I have high hopes and big expectations for this channel. And I feel really good about it. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna, there's no failure, you know? There is no failure. What is failure? Anyway, guys, here is my little quick and easy on-the-go makeup. Took a little bit more effort than my 10-minute mommy makeup video, but it's very light. Like, I see some videos on here like my quick everyday easy light makeup, and it's like a full glam look. No shade to them. Like, if that's what they wear every day, that's what they wear every day. That's not what I wear every day. This is like, it's so clean. It's so beautiful. Like, my skin feels really good. It feels like my skin is able to breathe. And yeah, for anybody, for moms, for students, for, you know, somebody who works Monday through Friday and they have to wake up at 6 a.m. to get to work. Like, this will be so easy for you to do. and this could easily be done in the car. And I feel really good about myself right now because of my skincare and the makeup that I have on. So, yay! Oh yeah! Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope you were able to learn something. Let me know down in the comments what you learned from this video. I would love to know. And I will see you next time in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye. Bye.